What's up, y'all? For those of you who have not seen, this is my Christmas decorations. I did my best. Okay, I got the small tree here, and then I got the bigger tree here. Let me turn on some lights. That's the bigger tree. Not bad. And then this is my other tree. My tree is Santa with a Jerry curl. So shake hands. What's up, Santa? And then I got the S curl for his hair. I spray a little bit of that on his hair to keep the curls moist. Okay, it is smelling extremely good up in here. I'm serious, it's 100%. Okay, so I got my meat going. My spaghetti sticks is looking real good. It's almost time to throw that in there. I got my garlic bread right here. It's time to throw that in there. Let's do that. Let's do that. Throw that in there. Let that sucker cook. And yeah, let's put some of this on there. Get the meat seasoned. Okay. And a little bit of this all season. Or season all. I should call it all season because we use it all season around. Put a little bit of that on there. There we go. That's enough. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Now it's time to throw the Pringle in with the spaghetti. So let's do that. Some of this here. Got the Pringle in with the spaghetti sticks now. I can go ahead and do some stirring. I'm going to throw the meat in there in a minute. I'm just letting it cook a little more from the frying pan because it cooks better from the frying pan than the pot. So I won't depend on the pot to cook that through. Depend on the frying pan to cook that through. Then when it's cooked, we then throw it in. Yep. Andre done went Italy. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And then afterward, you'll see the finished product. You'll probably see me smacking on it because I will be smacking. Man, y'all ain't going to believe this. Real good, don't it? Doesn't it? Of course. You know it does. You know it. But I still got meat here that needs to go in here, and I'm trying to squeeze a lot of meat into this little bitty pot. I was not thinking. Seriously. I didn't know it was going to be that much. I didn't know. I did not know. It's more than I expected. Because I could get the bigger pot and just use the bigger pot. But then I got to wait for that pot to get hot. And then I got to clean this pot. And I don't want to have to do all that. So I'm going to get it done. Oh my goodness. It worked. Kind of. Okay, I took the rest of the meat out of the pan, put it in this pot, and it is just a little bit. I gotta figure this out. Okay, somehow it did fit, but I need to get it underneath, underneath the sauce. So let's see if I can do some of that magician stuff. You know, rabbit in the hat. Let's see if there's a way this can be done. I'm trying to be careful with the edges because I don't want it to spill all over the flat surface stove. You know, these bad boys take a lot of work to clean. So let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, Andre. Come on. Get the meat under the sauce. Get the meat under the sauce. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, it's starting to almost overflow. I'm getting there. I definitely can't put the lid over. I don't think I can, but this should work. This should work. I just gotta be careful. If I can get it all into this small pot, it saves me less dish time. By the way, I don't use the dishwasher much. I'm more of a by hand person. I'm classical. So I like to try to make it to where I have the least amount of dishes. See, I got paper plates here to prevent dishes. I'd rather spend $1 than to wash a dish. It's working. Oh my gosh. I actually did that. I can't believe I got all that meat inside this one little pot. I guess I am a magician. I probably can put a rabbit in a hat.